Are you fascinated by powerful machines? If so, then a career as a bulldozer operator might be just for you. Bulldozer operators are tradesmen who drive bulldozers. Fitted with a concave blade and sometimes other attachments up front, bulldozers are used to gouge out, level and move materials in the construction, forestry and mining industries. Being enormously powerful machines that must be carefully controlled, bulldozer operators need to be physically fit and strong in order to flexibly maneuver around construction sites for sometimes very long hours. You will need to acquire knowledge of earth-moving fundamentals such as soil characteristics, ground conditions and map reading. To operate the bulldozer, you will be responsible for moving levers that control the front blade, toolbars, carriers or discs that are fitted to the machine. These levers raise or lower the blade as needed. While doing this, you will also be depressing the foot pedals that maneuver the bulldozer around the site. As a bulldozer operator, you will be pushing large quantities of dirt, rock, clay, sand, rubble or vegetation around to clear the way for other workers. While doing this, it will be important to feel the levers and listen for engine stalling so that the correct depth of cut is achieved. To achieve the correct cut depth, it might be necessary to drive the bulldozer in successive passes over the terrain. In many cases, this will need to be done while you follow markings on grade stakes or hand signals from your co-workers. To be a good bulldozer operator, you will also need to have a basic understanding of the servicing that your machine needs. You might need to grease, oil or perform minor repairs on the bulldozer. If you want to become a bulldozer operator, you can start working in the earthworks, road construction or mining industries. Entry requirements to this career will usually be set by your employer. Alternatively, you can obtain a Grade 9 qualification that will allow you to do a learnership in construction plant operations. If you have a Grade 10 qualification, you could do the more advanced learnership in surface mining and quarrying. Once employed, you will gain further knowledge and skills through informal learning in the workplace.